Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this suya, but before we make it, we will start it from the scratch, making the suya spice. So over here are the spices that I need for it. I have some oda and some ehuru, African nutmeg. It looks like this. I've already roasted the ehuru. Then over here I have some salt and some seasoning cubes. You can make use of any seasoning cube of your choice. I have some chili powder and some dry ginger. Then I have the main ingredients, Kuli. This is made from peanuts, so it looks like so. It's very dry, and this is spicy too. You can see, you can hear the sound. It is very dry. See? So I just break it. Then I'll be adding other ingredients. And just like that, your suya spice is ready after blending it. So we'll be using this to make suya. So you can use it in any meat of your choice, in chicken, in beef, in fish as well, any protein of your choice. So today I'll be making the suya with beef, from some lamb beef. So what I will do first is to add or sprinkle a little bit of vegetable oil on it so that the meat will not come out dry. Then I will add enough suya spice which we made earlier to this. Be generous with it because it will make it so yummy and the color will come out very well. Then after adding it, rub it and marinate it with your fingers just like so. You can even spread the chicken or the meat you are using one by one and be adding it one after the other. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please give this video a thumbs up, comment and share my video, and also follow me and subscribe to my channel. Then after rubbing it, I will cover and allow it to marinate for at least 15 minutes before grating it. But you don't need to leave it to marinate more. If you are in a hurry, you can just grate it immediately after marinating it. So right now I'll be placing it on my oven tray one after the other. I will separate it. I will not put everything together. Then I will put it on my preheated oven 250 degrees C, and I will be grating this for at least 10 minutes. Then I will bring it out after 10 minutes to check it. You can see how perfect this turns out. If you leave it more, it will dry more, but I don't want it dry. Suya is best enjoyed when it is not dry. If it's very dry, then it's no longer suya. You are eating kilishi. Then I will put it on a plate, and I added some tomatoes and onions, which will go very well with this. If you have cucumber, you can also add cucumber to this, and this is how you enjoy it. This is very yummy. It came out perfect. This is the best suya I have eaten so far. Hope you'll be trying this out. You can eat it alone like this. You can use cola to digest it. And thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find this interesting, please like, share and subscribe, and try it out yourself. Your family will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video. Ciao.